Good day friends, this channel for mechanical engineering. This channel is your pocket dictionary of mechanical. This channel contains our basic inquiry question and answer, mechanical design, software of Creo, AutoCAD, SolidWorks, CATIA, ANSYS, etc. and production and quality departments related. So please subscribe KPS Make English channel. If you like videos, please share your friends.
Hello friends, are you studying mechanical engineer? Or you go to any interview? So, very useful, commonly asked in any interview for mechanical engineering. Just 200 questions and answers. We give the 10 parts of videos. Every part 20 question and answer given. You prepare the basic knowledge for mechanical engineering interviews. Part 10, question number 181. How is sheet metal components formed? Answer. Sheet metal components are generally metal formed through various forming processes, majorly involving bending, deep drawing, roll forming, stamping, punching, piercing, etc. The sheet metals are initially received as rolls and cut into plain blankets and then formed into desired shape using above mentioned process, mainly bending and stamping. Question number 182. What is K-factor in sheet metal fabrication? Answer. As explained in bending allowance, when sheet metal is bent, the inside surface of the bend is compressed and the outer surface is stretched, but somewhere in the thickness of the metal lies its neutral axis, which is a line in the metal that is neither compressed nor stretched. Question number 183. Question number 183. What are all the finish process used for sheet metal fabrication? Answer. Powder coating is a commonly used surface finishing technique. It is type of coating that is applied as free-flowing dry powder. Question number 184. What are some common parameters to be considered while material selection for sheet metal fabrication? Answer. Good corrosion resistance, formability, weldability. Question number 185. What is the standard bending radius followed during sheet metal fabrication? Answer. Sheet metal enclosures are usually fabricated by cold forming technique, where the metal is clamped and bent in machines called press brakes. Because of this, metal typically cannot be formed into a true 90 degrees corner. Instead, the corners are curved or filleted in particle, which is technically denoted as bend radius. Question number 186. What is the casting? Answer. Casting is an engineering manufacturing process generally used for mass production, in which materials in molten state are poured into a mold where the solid be. In this process, complex parts can be manufactured economically and rapidly that otherwise would involve a lot of time if produced by other methods like shaping or cutting. Casting process can be utilized to produce a large variety of parts that are used in different industries, ranging from a small plastic toy to large cast iron blade. Question number 187. What are the selection of casting process? Answer. Different casting processes are available for utilization and their suitability influenced by a number of factors including the following: quantity of castings, manufacturing cost, product material, dimensional accuracy required, surface finish required. Question number 188. Sand casting briefly. Answer. Sand casting is normally used for the production of large pots by filling a molten metal into the mold cavity that has been saved from natural or synthetic sand. The cavity is created by the utilization of a pattern, generally made of wood or metal, that is of the same shape and dimensions as the actual part. The pattern is prepared slightly oversized due to which the cavity is also a little larger and common states for the construction of molten metal during cooling. Surface of the sand castings is normally rough with surface impurities for which a machining allowance is included. Question number 189. Die casting briefly. Answer. In the process, metal is forced into the mold at a high pressure that ensures production of identical parts, a better surface finish, and an increased dimensional accuracy. Some parts produced by die casting even do not require machining after casting, or may require only a light machining to achieve the desired dimensions. Defects of porosity are found more often in a large casting because entroped air and the solidification of melt before it reaches the boundaries of the cavity. Parts with a uniform wall thickness can be more accurately produced by die casting. Die casting molds are expensive since these are made from hardened steel and because a longer time duration is required for their production. Question number 190. What is draft or taper tolerance? Answer. The moment the pattern lifting commences, all of its surface are well away from the sand surface. Thus the pattern can be removed without damaging the mold cavity. Question number 191. Type of plastic. Answer. Thermoplastics, thermosets. Question number 192. Thermoplastic briefly. Answer. Polyethylene, polypropylene, polystyrene, polyvinyl chloride, most common thermoplastics. An object made from thermoplastic can be remolded into knee shape. Thermoplastics grip considerably more than thermosets, particularly at higher temperature. Thermosets briefly. Answer. Most popular thermosets are unsaturated polyester, epoxies, phenol formylide, and polyurethane. Polyester used in manufacture of fiberglass product and composite materials. Phenol formylide used in laboratory sheets, electrical fittings, and equipment decorative laminations. Advantages of plastic. Answer. Its lower price have contributed to the universal application of plastic. Low cost. Plastic have favorable strength, weight ratio. It has low density since Plastic is light. It presents easy in handling, transportation, storage, and assembly. Most plastics are generally maintenance free and have good corrosion resistance. Question number 195. Disadvantages of plastic. Answer. It has low stiffness and strength, which make it can be used for load bearing construction. It is subject to creep, that is, the increase in deformation under load with the time. Rate of creep of plastic higher than concrete. Creep deformation increases with stress level. Therefore, plastics become dimensionally unstable under load. Question number 196. What is welding? Welding is the
most economical and efficient way to join metals permanently. It is the only way of joining two or more pieces of metal to make them act as single piece. Welding is vital to our economy. Question number 197. What is the resistant welding? Answer. Resistant welding is the coordinated application of electric current and mechanical pressure in the proper magnitudes and for a precise period of time to create a covalent bond between two base metals. Question number 198. Types of resistant welding. Answer. Type 1. Spalt welding. Type 2. Seam welding. Question number 199. Types of weld joints. Answer. Butt joint, corner joint, edge joint, lap joint, T-joint. Question number 200. That is last questions. What are the difference between thick and milk welding? Answer. The technical names for these are metal inert gas MIG and tungsten inert gas TIG. A MIG welder works by using a continuously feeding spool of welding wire that burns, melts and fuses both the base and parent metals together. You can welding variety of materials such as mild steel, stainless steel and aluminium. Thank you friends. All the best.